So I have to show my Halloween window while there's a party going on in the background. But here's what it looks like. I'll try to show it to you when we come back tonight when it's all lit up. But happy Halloween! It was really simple. I didn't make anything this trip, but what are you gonna do? It's okay. I still think it's adorable. All right, let's go. What was that?
Joffrey's.
They're having a dance party down here because it's Halloween. Just like stay here and look at this view all night. It's so pretty. Of course, I want to go to Epcot. That's where we're heading tonight. So we are off to Epcot on Halloween, and
Jerk butted in front of me. Rude!
We rested up for just a tad bit, but it's a gorgeous evening. It's in the mid-70s still, so it's super nice, and gonna enjoy Epcot tonight. It was so cute. They're doing trick-or-treating here at the the resort. And yeah, they were going around getting candy.
I didn't get any.
But anything that you want to do tonight for sure?
Like what?
I don't know. Spaceship Earth. Look at that gorgeous view. It looks so pretty with the sunset right now, doesn't it? It's like all the same kind of colors, all lit up. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I think I need to get a picture when I get in there. I have like a million pictures of the Spaceship Earth, but you can never have too many, right? Time to scan the band. So I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. We actually did not do Spaceship Earth on Sunday when we were here. So we have to do it now, especially because there's only a 5-minute wait, which is actually like a no-minute wait. So, yay! Yay!
I'm working, leave me alone.
Time for a picture! Yay!
Locate the monitor overhead device, making your face is clearly visible, and wait for the flash. Systems are go.
Ready?
Now to your gun.
We're going to the future!
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan is to sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its masters. But where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie beyond promise. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing.
So we just walked out of Spaceship Earth and now it's nighttime. And it's so pretty. We all love these tiles here in Epcot, don't we? They're so fun to walk over. He was enjoying it too. Yay for Epcot at night. Are you happy to be at Epcot again?
Never.
Yeah. What do you want to do next?
Questions.
What do you want to do next?
Good. So excited.
Sure. We do need to get a mug before we leave.
Up, the water show. My favorite time to watch it is at night. A must do every trip.
Why?
Because we love it. Remember me. How cool. Here at Epcot, closing Epcot out, and we ran into some friends. I think so, yes. So we were walking, where were we coming out of? We were coming out of the land, and we ran into these lovely ladies here, mother and daughter, and you guys just moved here from Dallas, sorry, just remember. So, and you are?
I'm
Jeannie and Kelly, there you go. And you guys found us through
YouTube somehow.
Somehow, yep.
Saw you walking through.
Yeah. And we've been standing here for like how long, Brad? Like a while. Like at least 45 minutes probably, I'd say. Yeah. And they're really sweet mother and daughter. They're here at Disney every day. We were both all so jealous, right, Brad? Yes, yes. But it was so awesome to meet you guys, and we are going to stay in touch for sure. Yes, absolutely. And hopefully we can run into each other again, right? Yes. Yeah. Oh, what?
No, I'm saying it's gonna be interesting over the music.
Oh, but, well, thank you guys so much for being in our YouTube video. We just closed down Epcot with Jeannie and Kelly. It was so nice to meet you guys. I'm glad you guys said something to us as we were walking out of the land area, heading into, towards like the fountains by Fountain View Cafe and everything. But we really enjoyed our chit chat this evening, and Kelly, thanks again for the pin. That was so sweet. I really appreciate it. I will definitely cherish that little mini pin for sure. But just wanted to say huge thank you guys so much for following us and for such kind words and conversation that we had tonight. So we just really appreciate it, right?
Sure did. Thank you.
Absolutely. So, and hopefully one day we'll get to meet each other again and see each other again. So for sure. But I hope you guys had a great night, and it was fun closing out Epcot tonight together and chatting the way that we did. So thank you guys so much, and hope you guys enjoy coming to Disney every day as much as you are right now, since living here and things, and just don't ever let the magic stop. So on that note, we are heading back to the resort for the night. So it's been a great spontaneous trip day today. We definitely did a lot of fun things. Went to Hollywood Studios, went to Character Warehouse, Disney Springs, French Quarter, and then to Epcot. So definitely, and then got to meet you guys. So it was awesome. So here is what our window decorations look like at night. I think they look really cute. I think the orange lights look cool. Oh, now Brad turned the light on. It's funny, but I think they look cute. That's the end of Tuesday's videos. So hope you guys enjoy. More magical fun for tomorrow, and we're heading off to Magic Kingdom. Then we have a ADR tomorrow night, which I'm excited about as well. So new things that we've never done before to come, and a little resort hopping tomorrow as well, I think, too. So we will bring you guys along. Have a great night. Bye.